Welcome to the Starfinder Companion. The Starfinder Companion is a free and open source character builder for the science fiction, science fantasy role playing game Starfinder. Upon signing in, you can create characters, save characters with associated campaigns, create a starship for that campaign, and search for any registered campaign. I made this project for Flatiron Portfolio Project Assessment, and it was made with Ruby on Rails. So I'll go ahead and walk you through the Starfinder Companion. On the home page, you can either click the top, it will send you back to the home page. You can sign in, you can create an account, you can sign up with GitHub, and there's a few links in the footer. There isn't much else you can do before you sign in, so let's go ahead and sign in. If we wanted to, we could do new user, create account, and that will give you all the information to create a user. But we're just going to go ahead and sign in with GitHub. So this is going to be my GitHub account. And GitHub verified me, and it sent me back to the page. And as you can see now, it says Andy Atari Starfinder Companion. So I know that I'm logged in, and I'm logged in as Andy Atari, which is my GitHub profile. And now there's a whole wealth of options. So there's characters, campaigns, starships. We can create a character, create a campaign, and there's a search bar now in the home page. So if we wanted to, we could just anything, and then bam, there we go. Brings back our campaign. And then in this page, you can find any campaign that has been created. Dead Suns, and you can find out more about that. And you can click on View Ships, find out more about that as well. But you cannot edit the campaign, and you cannot edit the starship because you did not create this campaign. So let's go ahead and let's create a character here. So we'll create a character after me. We'll say Andy the Android. Outlaw. Character class. Class level, we'll just say 1. He's a starting character. Just new character for fun. And at this point, you also can associate it with a current adventure, or you can do your own. Since we don't actually belong to this Dead Suns, I don't want to join that campaign right now. I'm going to create my own campaign. So you can either do a title or group name. So I'll say this is my Starfinder group name, the Yodas. And the adventure path is new path. We'll just say 1 of 4. And it's just a campaign that we created ourselves. And we are, yes, looking for players. So we'll create the character, brings me back to the character sheet, gives me all my information. From here, I can edit or delete the character sheet. Gives me all these options. I can update the character. If I delete character, if I do that on accident, it will ask, are you sure? I don't want to do that. And from there, we can also go back to the characters. Gives me all my information again. Campaigns, right there. So all of our campaigns. And there won't be a view ship option because we don't have a starship yet. So let's go ahead and let's add a starship. And we'll call it Falcon for obvious reasons. And we'll say tier 1. It's kind of an early ship. All right, and there we go. The starship is added. And now if you go ahead and click on your starships, it'll be right there. Shows you your campaign. You can update and delete it. And yeah, so there we go. We'll go back home. And like I said, if we want, we can always search for the campaign if we want to create another character and associate it with the Baby Yodas or the Dead Suns. And again, I cannot change anything about this campaign because I did not create it. But I can view the ships if I'd like, just to see what they have going on and see if I would be interested maybe in joining that campaign at a future time, because they are looking for players. But with my information, I can update and delete everything because I did create this campaign. And with the characters, you're only going to see your own characters. And it will be completely private, and you can do as much as you like with your characters. All right. And then we sign out. Yep, you have successfully signed out. Excellent. And then, of course, there are validations on everything as well. So if I did try to hit sign in, invalid email password combination, and if I sign in again, automatically with my GitHub, and I try to create something else, of course, it would throw the errors again as well. So you can't accidentally create a blank character or a blank campaign. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching.